Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Kwik Trip rewards. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in quickrewards.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Kwik Trip rewards, where if you haven't logged into your account already, you can use your email address and your password to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your dashboard, from which you will see the account option at the top. If you click on this, you will see various options relating to your account. However, there is no option to delete your account. So in order to proceed with deleting, scroll all the way down and click on Contact Us. Now from this page, scroll down once again and click on General/Other. You will then be allowed to submit your contact form. Fill up your first and your last name, followed by your phone number and your email address that you used while signing up for your account. Finally, within the comment/question box, you can type in that you don't wish to use your account anymore and you don't find an option to delete your account within settings. You can then click on the submit button and your request will be sent to the support team. Once your request has been reviewed, you will get a response within a few days, within which you will find the instructions that you can follow in order to delete your account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to delete your account on Kwik Trip rewards. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.